Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review here. Hiring a landscape architect is often the best option for people with no design experience. The landscape architect can design the whole landscape, even telling you where to place the buildings if you don't have the home built yet. And you can install the plan over time. They will usually just sell the design and not the plants to go in the design. Some of them will oversee the construction contractor, others will let you hire your own contractor, and some create plans at nurseries that sell plants. A little more than 100 years ago, 11 men got together in New York City and formed the American Society of Landscape Architects. Even though this profession was new, the practice of shaping the landscape had been around for many centuries. Currently, landscape architecture is a very diverse profession. It involves all of the aspects of analyzing, designing, managing, reclaiming, and preserving the land and the uses of mankind that wants to put on the land. Landscape architects work on projects from tiny urban lots to regional master plans encompassing many counties. There's a stereotype that landscape architects only do designs for planting bushes around a home or commercial landscape. While many landscape architects are very good at residential horticultural design, the profession can involve much more land. In fact, for many years, the National Park Service has been the largest single employer of landscape architects. Landscape architecture is the leading profession on many projects because it has built-in expertise that involves many other professions. Landscape architects often have training in architecture and are aware of the needs of the building on the property. They know about the infrastructure the civil engineer is installing. They understand the political situation the urban planners are influenced by. And they know how the current site conditions will affect future occupation of animals, people, and plants. In the past, with the higher cost of land on the east and west coasts, it made sense to hire a landscape architect on many development projects. In the Midwest, the cheap cost of flat land has allowed many land developers to build whole subdivisions without the benefit of input from a landscape architect. With higher land costs and a more aware and more demanding consumer, builders have begun to see the benefits of better land planning designs. People want better environmental protections, safer neighborhoods, and more recreational opportunities within their communities than the communities of the past have had. Just because it's possible to build buildings in swamps, woodlands, farmlands, and on hillsides doesn't mean it's the best use of the land. So what's this mean to me? Landscape designers often only have training in horticulture and work for plant nurseries. They can help you design the planting areas if no other landscape work needs to be done, such as grading or building. They will usually only design into the plan what they have in stock at the nursery. The nursery may offer a discount on the plan or the plants if they're allowed to do some of the installation. On the other hand, landscape architects are often the more appropriate choice for designing the whole arrangement of the physical aspects of a site. They can choose the best locations for the buildings, create the grading and stormwater management, design the plantings, and coordinate the installation of the entire project. In some states, there are registration laws so that landscape architects are different than landscape designers. In other states, there's kind of a blending and it's hard to know which one you're getting. So check with your local area and see if landscape architects are required to be registered, and that will help you assure that you're getting a landscape architect and not a landscape designer. Unless you need a landscape designer, in that case, go for that person too. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.